Tayo magluluto mga ka-cubes. Ang ating menu for today ay barbecue mga ka-cubes. Yun mga ka-cubes, nandito na tayo. Yan, may parada ko na dito. So alam po, ito naman parking ko to. Alam naman dyan kung pa-parking. So ayan. Yeah, this is my parking. So here we are na. Nandito na tayo. Sakto. Nandito sa bahay ng umulan. Ayan. And that's our cabin mga ka-cubes. Yan ang view natin ha. Oh, di ba? So, we're here. Ayan, ang pangalan ng cabin namin is Whispering Woods. So here we are. Tutur ko muna kayo. So, tutur ko pala ngayon muna. Pero ko muna sa inyo yung ang aming titirahan. Yan. Yan ang parking ko. Yan. Inside, just gonna go inside. Umuulan lang mga ka-cubes. Medyo makalat pa. Inaayos pa namin ang aming ayos pa namin siya. And 2 bedrooms, and those are the kids' bedroom. They're there. Hindi na sayang yung bunk bed kasi lagi lang kami dito. Dalawa. Yan, kitchen. And we have our own bathroom. Yeah. Sorry, napapa-English ako kasi kasama namin mga English spoken eh. Yan. Ang gustong nang nag-isang ikaw, flush toilet and hot and cold water. So that's it. Everything you need to put in the fridge, put it there, yeah. And there, look at the view naman. Ayan ang view naman namin dito. So, watch your step lang dyan. Ayan yan. High tide. Oh, look at that. Those are our fire pit. We have our own hammock pero basa. Nabasa ang hammock. Oh, it's rained. I think there will be a lot of fish tonight, mate. Huh? Umulan. A lot of fish tonight. Yeah, I'll be fishing. I don't know what you're gonna do, guys.
Fish? I want to fish too.
I have my own. So yun. Ang kakibs. So yan. Nakikita nyo. Ayan si Nagisang ikaw. Nagpe-prepare na ng anong ating specialty dyan.
BBQ?
BBQ daw. BBQ. Ayan, kita nyo naman. Chef ha. Nabisita eh. So yeah. Oh, where's the other guy? Asan siya lumabas?
Ha? Lumabas.
Lumabas ba? Hindi ko napansin. Saan duman?
Diyan, sa likod.
Sa likod? I didn't see it. No. It's locked here. Diyan sa harap o baka nasa... Wala ba siya?
Diyan, sa likod.
Dito. Nakalock yun eh. Nilock ko.
Diyan dumaan.
Paano nag-lock yan? Anyways. Lumabas pala siya. Yung isa. Okay. And now...
Nanay, magluluto.
Ako naman magluluto as usual. Ano muna? Nanay tatay duty. Hindi mo na mag-boyfriend. Ngayon. Family muna tayo ngayon. So ayan, ako ito. Siya nagtutugog pa doon mga kakip. So ayan ang ating ano. Ngayon sa babae lutoan ko. Ayan. Teach them. They're fixing their own beds now. See? That's how you do it. Oh, they have their own lampshade now. Before they don't have that. Lampshade. That lampshade. Yeah, they have the electric fan, their own fan. I don't know if they have. Yeah. Yeah, set up natin yung ating tayo magluluto mga ka-cubes. Ang ating menu for today ay barbecue mga kakibs. Barbecue po ang ating menu. Ayan, biyaman sila doon. Inisan muna ng pito. Tagal din natin ginagamit ito. Ito coconut na itong ginagamit, hindi na yung silver. Ano daw kasi yun, pangit. Buksan muna natin ang clips. Ayan. Ayan. Hindi na sila doon. Ano na rin natin yun. Hayaan natin sila doon dahil para baka relief naman yung kanilang low heat lang natin. Lutuan natin sa mga clips. At so walang aluminum foil. Di bali yan, andyan sinagisang ka, maglilinis yan. Yun, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan, ang pork belly, mga kapits. Yun. Usok pa lang, amoy na, mga kapits. Ewan ko sila. Yung mga bata, kung ano kakainin nila. Let them cook their own food. Lakas ko siya bata. Bango. It smell good. Ang bango mga kapits. Grabe. Kaso yung mga lamok andito na. Naamoy na yung naamoy na yung niluluto ko. Ayan o. Gano'n sila dito. Magkakatul nga muna ako mga kapits. Yan. Mamaya ulit mga kapits. So ayun no. Tapos na tayo dito sa pork belly mga kapits. Barbecue naman. Ito naman barbecue ang niluluto natin. Alright, so here they are. Let's see. Still wet? Yeah, just
Yeah, I have to wait over there.
let's see. Yan, mga kakibs. Malalaki na yung balat sila magluto dyan. Oops, I lost ticket. Ay!
You have to wait.
Okay, we still have the... Oh, I don't have the... Excuse me.
What is that?
Which one?
The
Mosquito repellent.
oh really?
Oh, you haven't camped yet? No, I thought you went on the camp. Remember last time I think you went on the camp
When?
with... Who's that guy? With... I seen your picture before.
When?
Camp day. And you don't have a camp day?
School?
Yeah, school.
It's not like
It's not like that?
camp. No.
Well, how? What it is then?
It's like the cabin.
Oh, cabin, not like this? Oh, then.
This is I think our first cabin in a while. We only camped once and that was with you.
There, you don't even remember that thing.
Yeah.
You guys are too young that time. What the heck? I thought this is...
What is that?
I know, that.
Look at that. There's three. There's one, two,
There's
and
it over
two.
there.
What the
I
hell?
thought it was... I thought something here.
I think those are grasshoppers.
Grasshoppers? Or
I
maybe
think
dead
so.
grasshoppers or what?
No,
Or
there's
a
like
moth?
1, 2, 3,
They're not grasshoppers. I think so.
7, 8. No,
Yeah, there's not.
there's so many.
At least they're not flying or what. I think they're dead. Alright, look, Ate Tina, those are the tools now. They're cooking, I don't know. But what are they cooking? Sausage. Sinaraduhan ako, ayaw kong papasukin. Grabe itong mga to.
Sige. Fish outside. Fish outside.
Alright, I'm gonna eat now. Oh, there's your sausage plate. Put your sausage, take the bun over there. If you want a bun, you have to. Are you eating rice, Jetro, or bun? Oh, then you there's the bun. And then take it away. If you're eating, here. Oh, that's okay if you have that. Just for the burger.
Wait, I might as well just not waste this plate, guys.
Right. Oh, you want to eat there now? That's okay. Alright mga kakibs, eating time na. It's dinner time and then we're gonna go out later.
I'm gonna step.
Exercise.
Yeah. And stretch our
I
legs.
need exercise. I need blood sugar like too high.
That's what my mom says all the time.
That's a problem.
We should grill the bed.
What?
Grill the bed.
Okay.
Alright, little prayer now. Alright, cool.
My father sent the Holy Spirit and lift up my nails, bless my Lord, for these I pray, and not to receive from my bounty to Christ I pray.
Oh, you don't have to